Good morning. Happy New York City Day. I'm so excited. I have everything back. I'm gonna call a car now. I got through it. I got through everything. I'm waiting at my gate now. Right? That's what it's called? I don't know. It's gonna be like 2 more hours. I'm kind of crazy like that. I'm just waiting for my friend to get here. Tiara, come here. I miss you.
Probably rebooked that 3981 too.
It's happening. It's happening.
Thanks for joining us. Back to Max will be on our way here shortly.
Can you hear me? Can we show them the boarding pass? Or is that like personal? Just do it. It's yours, it's not mine. Oh no, show yours. I would put it in my pocket. This is what it was. Oh. You're so cute. Well, don't act shy now. You were like freaky. You were so cute. Hold on, I'm gonna drop my phone and I'm not gonna be like that. See, we just have to learn more. But you can also. The tweeting? Oh, that's one of those. You have a lot of editing to do now. Chicago baddie taking over New York. Okay, meow. I'm so cute. Coming in clutch with the snacks. And the books. And the book. And the books. Literature. Period. We're gonna be up in the air. like tomato. She's just getting the bag. True. I think we're moving now. I think we're gonna move. This airplane is kind of tiny. I'm getting hungry too. I think we're about to take it's 11:56 now. We're supposed to take off to 20 minutes ago. There's like a line of planes. Waiting bar. Until we're in the air. Huh? Until we're in the air. It's just disrespectful. I don't know how it's gonna sound. It's gonna be loud. Like it's already loud. It's gonna be loud for like a few minutes and then it's gonna be quiet. We put like music behind this video.
Yeah, folks, just a quick update from the flight deck. Sorry to take this long to get off the ground. We had to wait our turn to get the de-ice. We got all that done. Then as we get out here short of the runway, they're telling us air traffic control has got kind of a flow control program going in New York. They kind of do that sometimes to keep a handle on the amount of aircraft that are showing up at one time. So our takeoff time is not going to be until about 10 after the hour. That's definitely safe. Looks like they're going to let us go early. I disregard that. That was just a little bit of a tease. I thought they were going to clear us off. They sent us over to the control tower, which is normally our signal that we're going to take off. Okay, never mind. They're telling us we're going now. Sorry about all the confusion, but we should be up around here shortly.
Slave. He's a little confused. It's fine.
These are the I thought 10 after the hour. I thought it was going to be like 11 to 10 or something.
We're already 20 after the hour, right? Or 20 after our original flight.
I think that's normal though. You get on the plane at 10:25, and then they gotta do what they gotta do, and then. Hold on, I think it's happening now. Now it's happening.
This is so funny.
I think only these are free.
Wait, what's 4 plus 4?
8. That's my line.
I know.
We're basically almost there, but do you see that? Hold on. We're right next to the Statue of Liberty. There it is. That's so cool. We're in New York now. Ah! Wow, look at all this. So cool. Wow. That's kind of insane. This city. In New York.
I know, right?
Welcome to New York.
We'll listen to trees all day.
Oh, there's a bridge. Where? Oh, wait, that's the Brooklyn Bridge.
Wow, that's so looks like Legos. They look like Legos at the bridge.
It's so pretty. Oh, sorry.
I'm so excited. Wow, look at all the
Is that the hotel you were talking about? Where?
For Home Alone? The green room?
That
Or is that a random building?
I'm pretty sure that's a random building.
They look the same.
No, it don't. It really don't. Oh my god.
That was so cool. I'm so
That's
glad
so
they
cool.
were that.
We're gonna land really soon. I'm so excited. Hey guys, we just landed. This airport is so pretty. I'm just so excited. I'm gonna go get my bag from baggage claim now. Hey guys, like I was saying, we got through baggage claim. I got through baggage claim successfully. We did a couple change of clothes, and now we're waiting for our shuttle to take us to our hotel. Yes. Okay. See you there. We're on the shuttle now. See you guys very soon.
There's a bridge. I don't know if it's that bridge. It's Spider-Man.
I don't know what I'm recording. I'm just recording whatever. Buildings are really tall. Look at these regular. room. Welcome. Hi guys, welcome to our hotel room. We're staying at the, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll show you. But now we're just gonna do a tour, okay? Over here we have a kitchenette. So much space. And a microwave.
Ooh.
And a sink, and there's also a fridge with nothing in it. I mean, we knew that, but. And over here we have a closet, and they gave us robes.
Can't wait to wear that.
Oh, $85 for a robe.
Oh, never mind. We're not wearing that anymore. Oh my God, that just kind of changed everything.
But they're cute, and they have pockets.
They're cute though.
See, like for hangers, and then over here.
Oh.
There's a
Our safe. You know?
They gave us, there's a hair dryer, an iron, and space to put our shoes, and an extra pillow. Okay, now coming over here, to my left is the bathroom, which looks pretty fire if I do say so myself. Looks real nice. And then, this is a shower. Oh, sorry y'all. This is a shower. This is kind of fancy to me. With our complimentary towels, or it just comes with towels, but yeah. And here's the main room. We ordered like a king room so we could sleep on the big bed, which is like moderately comfy. Like, oh, it's nice. And then over here we have the mirror. Say hi, Tira. Hi. This is my roomie for our trip, for our adventure. This is our first window. Wow.
Wow. Look at that.
Looks cool. And then we have like two like bedside tables and lamps and stuff. And then over here we have all this drawer space and a TV. We also have a desk here and a cute little sign. The Belvedere.
Cute.
It's a hotel.
As hell.
And then this is our main big window. We're on the 11th floor. It looks really cool. We're like really right by the theater district. And yeah, this is what we got. Now we're just gonna chill for a little bit, and then we're gonna go to, well, we'll show you in a bit, but can't wait. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, we're at the theater where we're gonna see the show that we're gonna see tomorrow. Tomorrow. Well, not right now, but to them. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Wow. Wait, what?
I don't know, they're like important.
They're like important. Hey guys, we're in Times Square now, and it's really cool. Whoa. Wow.
This is so cute. Wow. It's so cool.
Oh my gosh, happy birthday to
Mom? Wait, no, love you, Mom and Dad.
well, happy birthday to her.
Happy birthday to her. Shout out her.
That's cool. Oh my gosh, there's another statue. This is cool.
picture?
No, it's recording.
So cute. That's us. That's us.
It's so weird. It's
We're from there. We're from there.
Right?
Everything's so bright, bro.
Thank you so
It's like a giant TV.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Multiple giant
TVs.
Okay.
Kind of cold now. Okay. Off.
Yeah. Hey guys, we're at Applebee's for dinner. I didn't tell anyone, but I got a piercing. I don't know if you see it, but yeah. I'm about to text my best friend and tell her. Sorry, bestie. And now we're gonna pick something to eat, right? Yep.
Be like, wait, we don't know you.
We got our food. I got waffle fries and a bacon cheeseburger. Tara, what'd you get?
Whoa?
What'd you get?
I don't remember.
Well, this is what she got.
It got chicken and bacon.
And I got lemonade. So yeah, we're gonna eat now. Hey guys, we just ate. I was gonna show our empty plates, but like the waiter already cleared it out. But how do we feel?
We feel good. We feel motivated. We're about to go.
I have a food coma.
We're about to go out. We're about to kick it. We're about to steal this city.
We're actually gonna go to bed.
No, we're not. We're not going to bed. We're not going back. We're going back outside.
In the cold.
But we're hot bitches.
Hey guys, we're back at our hotel, and you know we're just gonna chill for the night. Spider-Man No Way Home is playing, and we're just gonna watch that. We went to what's it called? Daiso, and we got some stuff. I got myself 2 drinks. I got a strawberry milk, and I got a boba milk tea because it had a My Melody on it. It's so cute. I'm gonna try this one. That'll be my drink for the night. And I got a few things for my cousins. So if you're my cousin, don't watch this right now, okay? For one of my cousins, I got this mirror because she likes this character. And then for my other cousin, because it's like her birthday kind of close around this time, I got her a face mask and a hair clip. I'm still trying to figure out what to get like my other cousin. I'm not gonna get my other cousin something because he was my Secret Santa, so I already got him something. And I'm still trying to figure out what to get for my best friend, so that's what I got. Do you want to do a haul of what you got?
Sure. I also got a drink. It was like leche juice, and it was
really good.
Banging. It was so good and overpriced. I was getting my best friend. You know who you are. I called you. And
Is she subscribed?
you better be. Okay. Hello. Yeah. I got her this like Harry Potter character. Yeah.
I might go back for another one.
Okay, we should go back. I got her this Harry Potter character. She loves Harry Potter and she loves this girl. Like I called
Hermione.
I hope she said Hermione.
Hermione.
I hope she said that because she said a girl and I said this is what you're getting. Okay, I'm kind of embarrassed. Okay, if you're anime nerd and you love like I think this is from Love is War. I hope it is. Well, I got a figurine. Like an anime figurine of Love is War. And I'm trying to open it, but I can't. That's what I got. Show it. No, I'm scared. Okay, I can show it. So cute! It's that girl who's like does the dance. Wait, is it on? No, it's not.
No.
It's just in New York.
So we're gonna chill now, probably for the rest of the night. Oh, bye.